Hello everyone, it's Bliss Brion. Today is July 1st, 2020, and the sound test will start any minute now. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry about it being super shaky, it is handheld. Oh my. Before we do get it though, look at that. Perhaps maybe this is a better way to do it. There. This will make it a little less shaky. Any moment now. Oh my God. Flip. Oh well. It's 12 o'clock now. It might not do it. Otherwise I would have sounded off. Well, epic fail. Just epic fail. RIP. Well guys, that's it for this vid. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.